Happiness depends to some extent upon external conditions but mainly upon mental attitudes. So knowing yourself will lead you to success and joy. Fingerprint analysis is a scientific study of fingerprint patterns and human brain lobes to determine the intrinsic potential in a person. This analysis helps to reveal the strength they possess and guide them to perform better in life. It also provides an accurate analysis of human multiple intelligences and inborn talents. It is a medically proven method of revealing intelligence, inborn skills, talents, and potentials. Now let us understand what is the connection between fingerprints and brain lobes. The fingerprints are closely associated with infants' mind development. The fingerprints are developed inside the embryo from 13th week itself. The brain lobes can be analyzed depending on formation and number of ridges present in the fingerprints. The medical experts also confirmed that each person's fingerprints are unique. The fingerprints demonstrate different types of characteristics even in identical twins. Fingerprints can be considered as representation of human brain cells. Now let us look into the benefits of fingerprint report. This report is helpful in all areas of life like your job, studies, in right parenting, maintaining good relationships, healing from addictions, promotion in work, choosing right career, and so on, thereby helping you lead happy, successful, and fulfilling life. This report is for all age groups like children, professionals, housewife, and so on. For children, this report helps in improvement of academic marks, improve memory and concentration through methods that is suitable for the child, making career choice depending upon their strength, weakness, inborn talents, IQ percentage, and many more. For professionals, this report helps in relationship handling, achieving desired goals, inculcate emotional balance and overcome daily stress, business progress, professional progress, and so on. For women and housewives, this report is helpful to have emotional stability, overcome stress and increase health, influence the family, and to be happy in everyday life. There are many more benefits from this report, like it reveals person's inborn potential, that is strength and weakness. It gives insight for parents about their child and groom them effectively as per the talents they possess. It enables oneself to focus on their own strength and to eliminate the guessing game on their talent. It tells which is the best learning style and love language of a person. It helps in determining the personality type of a person. There are different kinds of personality. For example, a person who is bold and dominant, a person who loves to talk, a person who is logical and wise, a person who is people-oriented. Overall, this report helps you in understanding your own self, invest time and money in right things, build relationships, overcome stress, be happy and successful in life by choosing right profession and people in life. Would you like to take your personal report? Then please contact us at 9958866466.